Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting 2 measurements and 1 speed. First, measure the driver pulley diameter D1 and the driven pulley diameter D2 in the same units. Accuracy matters because ratio errors scale. Next, read the driver speed N1 from the motor label or use a tachometer. Once done, convert diameters to the same units and check for belt slip. If slip exists, include effective diameter adjustments. Now you have the essential inputs to compute pulley RPM with a simple ratio. You now perform the core calculation. RPM scales inversely with diameter. Divide D1 by D2, then multiply that ratio by the known driver speed N1 to get the driven speed N2. For belts, prefer pitch diameters because they reflect belt centerline motion. If only outside diameters exist, estimate pitch diameter. If the drive has idlers or multiple stages, apply each stage sequentially, calculate intermediate speeds, and propagate them. This preserves accuracy. You finish by validating and applying the result. Round the driven RPM N2 to a sensible precision and confirm units. If the actual measured RPM differs from calculated N2, recheck belt tension, alignment, and possible slip. Small slip or stretch changes effective diameter and causes % errors. If disagreement persists, remeasure diameters, use pitch diameters, or verify N1 with a tachometer. One key troubleshooting tip: adjust tension and remeasure. Most errors trace back to improper belt tension or worn pulleys.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.